y'all, welcome back to the channel. First of all, before we get into the review, I just want to thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Taking a moment out of your day to watch this video, I am greatly appreciative, and I love you guys so much for supporting me and just, you know, rocking with your girl. So today we're going to go ahead and jump into this wig from My First Wig. So yeah, it's a different look, okay? It's summertime, I'm feeling myself, I'm loving this color, and I want you guys to see how I got all of this to come together, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. definitely summertime for sure. And what they say, blondes have more fun. Ow. So this wig is from My First Wig. This is their 130% density lace frontal wig. This wig did come colored like this, girl. Yes, yes. I did not have to go through the process of bleaching this hair, which, oh my God, I can't even imagine doing in today's world. It's just such a process that I don't have time for. So I love that My First Wig sent me this wig to review today, because it is definitely giving me summertime girl, hot girl summer vibe, okay? The colors, the blonde in this hair blends in better with my skin tone. It just looks better to me. It looks more toned. I don't feel like it's like the picture. I feel like the picture doesn't do this wig justice at all. I'll just say that. I definitely see that this wig is a lot better in person. And honestly, when I was washing the hair and I let it dry or whatever, I was like, girl, what we finna do with this today? So this look is perfect. Middle part and just some banging layers is definitely the way to go for this wig. You get about, how many inches? You get about 5 inches of parting space. This is lace from ear to ear. I don't have all the details in front of me right now, so make sure you check out that description bar. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck the hairline, because the knots on this wig was bleached pretty well and the knots are already blonde. This wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline, but it wasn't to the point where you can notice it. So that's why you saw in the video me going in with concealer to kind of like touch up certain areas that I wanted to look more like scalp, like especially right here. Now, because of the color of the hair, I wasn't really able to do like drastic baby hairs, or you know, just my popping baby hairs or whatever. I wasn't able to do that, so I just made sure I emphasized a lot on the whole scalp look. The blonde hair has the ability to really dry out and can easily be over processed, and I feel like with this wig, it was giving me dryness. Okay, it was giving me very much dryness, so I had to go in with some more conditioner for the second time and apply it to the hair, put it in a bag, let it sit for a couple of hours, because it was just giving me dryness, and that actually solved the issue. So because this hair was processed, it does take a little bit more maintenance or a little bit more attention compared to other wigs that is not blonde. So please keep in mind, when you do conditioner, let that conditioner sit for just a little bit longer to make sure your hair is more on the smooth side. But for this look, the final look, oh baby, it is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I appreciate you guys for watching and clicking on today's video, and I will see you guys in the next wig review video.